Want to get your hands on the newest version of Windows but the update's giving you a hard time? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing that issue. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the solutions. Solution 1. First, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type net sh winsock reset, then hit Enter. Then type ipconfig /flush and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig /release and hit Enter. Now type ipconfig /renew and press Enter. Next, type in net sh intip reset and hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and check if you can update now. Solution 2. Change Windows Update Service configuration. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Then type in scconfig wau serve start equals auto and hit Enter. Next, type scconfig crypt scv start equals auto and press Enter. After that, type in scconfig bit start equals auto and press Enter. Then type in config trusted installer start equals auto and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can find these commands in the video description below. Once you're done, restart your computer and check if that solved the issue. Solution 3. Restart Windows Update Service. For this one, click on the search icon and type in PowerShell. Next, right-click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now type in stop wau serve and hit Enter. Then type in stop bits and hit Enter. After that, type in netstop msi server and press Enter. Then type netstop dosvc and hit Enter. Next, type in netstart wau serve and press Enter. Then type in netstart bits and hit Enter. After that, type in start msi server and press Enter. Lastly, type in netstart dosvc and hit Enter. Don't fret, you'll find these commands in the video description as well. Now check if that helped with the issue. Solution 4. Repair Windows System Files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc /scan now and hit Enter. After that, type in dism /online /cleanup -image /check health and press the Enter key. Next, type dism /online /cleanup -image /scan health and press Enter. Then type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer. After your computer turns on, the issue should be fixed. So that's how you deal with the update not working issue on Windows 11. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching.